It's a secret we're keeping, whispers in the air. Family members coming from everywhere. Marika and Paul are waiting, can't be late. Counting down the moment till we celebrate. Shh, don't let it slip away. Tonight's the night we have to play. Surprise, surprise, it's your special day. Let's open the doors and shout hooray. Joy, laughter, fill the room tonight. With friends and love, everything feels right.
Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're in downtown Limassol, that's for sure. We are monkeying around as usual, and I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Miss Ochin. Kwasivia Labu.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again.
And again, I think it's going to be the jump of a panther.
Phew! Chuck Norris.
And Jackie Chan is coming to town tomorrow. Right, where are we? We're on a main road in downtown Limassol. That doesn't tell you a lot, but that's the Atlantica Bay Hotel just over there. What's that hotel called, Kwasivia Labu?
Amari.
And that's the Amari Hotel, where we've just been monkeying around and upsetting the security staff, and they were looking very, very uneasy as we patrolled their rear paths, and now we've been transcending across their front walls, and they were worrying. Although Kwasivia Labu quite likes this car. This is a Passat CC.
No, I really like
You
it.
really like that car? Well, for a change, Kwasivia Labu has chosen something that's quite reasonable in price, because they don't make it anymore. They stopped making it about 2020, if I'm right. So we're going to pick one of them up for around about 20,000 for sure.
They're not making those cars
They don't make it anymore, no.
Wow.
So I'll get you one of them.
So it's like a collection edition now.
Well, no, it's a car that's just getting old.
Yes, but
Yes.
it means that if they don't make it anymore, it means a collection.
Collection, I don't think it'll ever be a collector's item, but hey, you never know. If we live for 1,000 years, possibly. Let's keep going. Here we are. So we're on one of the main boulevards in the newer part of Limassol, the part where they are really are developing and building lots of new apartment complexes, one or two new hotels. A rather nice area, great area to come on holiday, great area to buy a holiday home, and a great area to live and then commute into Limassol perhaps if you live here full time. Very, very nice place indeed. So stick with us, tree-lined road, so there's plenty of shade on the way, so we can wiggle and waggle as we keep going, shall we say, and not get that too hot. Got some great villas coming up as well. There's villas on both sides of the road, beautiful apartment complexes, and as I said, that over there is the Atlantica Bay 4-star Atlantica Bay luxury 4-star hotel and beach resort, although it's not actually on the beach, as you can see, because there's a road right in the middle of it. But never mind, the beach is just over yonder. So stick with us as we walk back towards the hotel.
The
And it keeps
hotel
you-
on its own, I no doubt, was not too bad.
I thought the
But
hotel
then
was lovely.
The only thing, why should you write on website the line?
Well, it's often the case with hotels and businesses. If they're close to a beach, they'll say they're on a beach. We all understand that bit. That magic word beach got me to get my credit card out. But like I say, I could have stayed in that hotel for 10 euros less. But never mind, this is life. Next time, we'll come and stay there, and we'll annoy the life out of security staff, literally with permission, because we'll have paid to stay there. See, we're getting clever. We are getting clever. Have a look at these lawns. Look at that. Now, if you understand, to keep a green lawn in Cyprus, well, it's quite difficult because, of course, most of the year we're baking in sunshine. In fact, we're still baking in sunshine. So they have sprinkler systems that come on in the morning and they come on in at night. And, of course, they wet the life out of this patch of grass to keep it green. And if you look very carefully, to be honest, there's still a lot of little brown patches on it. So this grass is certainly waiting for the winter season to arrive. Not problems that most of our watchers have, whether you're watching us from the UK or Germany. We understand you get plenty of, well, should we say, liquid from the sky. And I've no doubt that your grass is like the green grass of home, Mr. Tom Jones. That's for sure. So there it is, That's the hotel that we stayed in. That's the glass surround to the upper terrace, shall we say. That's where we were not long ago. And if you look very carefully, that glass domes, the three of them in the viewfinder now, that is the indoor swimming pool where again we went monkeying around. Very, very nice hotel indeed, and we really, really enjoyed our stay there. And it only cost, I think it was 148 euros for the night with breakfast, so that was very, very good indeed. Let's just go down that one more time, Gracevy, because this actually now is the pathway from the hotel that takes us down to the beach. We'll follow the rear end of Gracevy Booth, and we're going to get that great view, and of course it's going to be surrounded by the blue Mediterranean Sea very, very shortly indeed. Most people come to Cyprus for the beauty and the tranquility, the quietness and the calmness of the country. Very, very little crime indeed, obviously. Except, of course, if you happen to bump into myself and Miss watching Gracevy Booth. Which brings me on to the note of the channel. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness.
Oh, buy to me, chichotka boots, please. How beautiful.
There we are, see that? Straight from the buy me something to the oof. How beautiful. There we are. What a beautiful, beautiful looking building it is. So we could start a buy me a Chuchuchka pair of boots, or we could start a buy me a Bentley fund. You decide which one you want to contribute to, because remember, you've only got to buy that Bentley once. There
Let's not be funny. Bentley is a little bit more expensive.
But they've only got to buy it once. And I'll always tell you how nice it is to drive, and I'll always keep it very, very clean, and I'll polish it every single day. I promise you. Have a look at that. It doesn't get much better than that. Well, it does actually. There's Miss watching Gracevy Booth.
I would like to say how beautiful it is, everything around it. They've done a huge job with the organizing these pavements for the people who walk and organizing that lovely, lovely sea point. It's amazing, and I would like to say to you that everyone should come and see these luxury places.
Yeah, she's right. It's a great, great place to come. So get yourself on a big bird or in a canoe, start paddling like crazy, because Limassol is quite simply waiting for
you! Of course, you!
So there you go. I'll leave you with that great, great view out across the blue Mediterranean Sea. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Now we've got Gracevy Booth thinking about making a burglary. You can't take her anywhere, that's for sure.
I'm a little naughty monkey. This is how I've been since my childhood, and I like to be naughty monkey. And I would like to tell you many thanks for watching. I would like to tell you that we are loving you to bits, and don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Many kisses and bye-bye.
It's a secret we're keeping, whispers in the air. Family members coming from everywhere. Marika and Me are waiting, can't be late. Counting down the moment till we celebrate. Shh, don't let it slip away. Tonight's the night we have to play. Surprise, surprise, it's a special day. Let's open the doors and shout hooray. Joy, laughter, fill the room tonight. With friends and love, everything feels right. Birds of arriving, just so bright. Marika will be dancing in the twinkling lights. As far as we shout as you walk in. gracious touch.